In this tutorial, I will teach you how to remove complex objects from your image using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Then, create a new layer and select the paintbrush tool from the toolbar. Set the color to red and adjust the brush size that suits the size of the objects that you would like to remove. But make sure not to paint too much outside of the object. Once you're done, select the painted areas by pressing the Ctrl key while clicking on the layer thumbnail of the painted layer. Now, hit Delete to remove the paint, and in the toolbar, click on the Select tab and select Modify, then Expand. Set the pixel expansion value to 3 to 5 depending on the resolution and the quality of your image. Then click OK. And in the toolbar, click on the Edit tab and select Content Aware Fill, which will delete the object that you have selected and replace it with patches around the area. So, when there are misplaced patches, simply use either the Spot Healing tool, Clone tool, or Patch tool to fix it. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.